You can see my messy computer here with loads of files, organize my folder, and now it's much more cleaner. Now Skywork is available for Windows. So you can download this desktop application. It has some powerful features and endless possibilities. And I'm going to show you a demo in regards to that. So the list of features include smart document generation, presentation creation, data analysis, deep research, multimodal creation, and it's much more secure as well. The key thing is that it runs locally on your computer rather than it's a web app. So it's similar to CoWork, having access to multiple tools within your own computer, but dedicated for Windows. So if you are a Windows user, this will definitely be useful. So we are going to reorganize our desktop, which contains multiple files, disorganized. Then secondly, we are going to create a PowerPoint presentation. And thirdly, we are going to create a website based on the research data. That's exactly what we're going to see today. Let's get started. Thanks to Skywork for sponsoring this video. So first, to download, I'll put the link in the description below for you to download. So click on that link and then you should be able to download this. Once after you download, you got multiple options there. So I want to show a few things here. So this is Skywork desktop. You got multiple options here on the right hand side. You can choose the working folder. You can see the context, skills, what is popular right now, documents, whatever format is required, you can install that. You got email and messaging connection. So you can connect with your Google Workspace, Outlook, Slack, Discord, or any other thing. You can connect with your tasks application, notes application, content creation, social media integration, such as TikTok, Twitter, LinkedIn, and you can integrate to all of these tools. That makes it unique. Now this is just literally CoWork, but on Windows laptop or Windows computer. So now I'm going to choose a folder. I've got multiple files there. You can see my messy computer here with loads of files, but now I need this to organize. So I go to Skywork, I choose the folder which I need to organize. Then I tell organize my folder and remove duplicates, and that's it. I'm going to click enter. Now it's going to organize my folder. Here you can see the list of steps taken. It's reading the list of files in my computer. Then it goes to the reasoning process of understanding what it is all about. Developing categorizing strategy, confirming duplicate removals, refining deletion strategy. And it automatically creates the to-do list to do one by one. First removing the duplicates, then moving documents into images folder, videos to videos folder, web files, archives, and finally verify and reporting. So now it's going to perform one by one. So that is neat and clean. So here comes the first task. It's in progress and now it's completed. Now going to the third task, and it's comparatively faster as well. Command completed successfully. That is step number 3 completed. Now next, moving videos to video folder. Now performing that request, and that is also now completed. Now moving HTML files, that is web files, archive files, and finally it's going to prepare a report of the list of things done. Now it's preparing me a report of the list of tasks done. So authorization, always allow. To remove duplicate files and folders from root directory, so always allow. So now it has control only to this folder, which makes it much more secured. Rather than giving full access to the whole computer, you are giving access to only one folder, and it can work in a controlled manner rather than controlling your whole computer. So now it's organized. Let's see the result. And here is the result. Let's zoom in. So you got these categories cleanly organized. So it's the same folder which we saw before, and now it's much more cleaner. We got documents here, images, video, code, audio, archives, and web, everything separated clearly. And even if I go to documents, it's all properly organized. As simple as that. Complicated work completed instantly. Next, I want to show you how you can prepare a PowerPoint presentation or any documentation based on the chunk of documents. So you might have 10 or 20 or 50 documents, probably from your meetings or notes, but you want to merge everything together. So here you can link it to Obsidian notebook where you have taken notes. You got Notion, Trello board, Slack. So when I ask you to prepare a PowerPoint presentation, it can use these tools and then prepare a PowerPoint presentation for me, which makes it much more easier for me as well. So currently I've got my notes, things in my current folder, which I've already located, which is organized. So I'm going to say, give me a PowerPoint presentation based on the documents in this folder about AI agents. Also search internet to find more information about latest AI agents and stats, which can be included in the PPT. So, and then clicking enter. Now it started the process. So now it's going to read the documents. That is my notes. I've already got some notes within my folder, as you can see here. So if I go to documents, you got files, notes created such as AI agents. So it's going to read that document. It's going to search the internet and then prepare the PowerPoint presentation. So everything done within this one tool. Generally we have CoWork for Mac or Linux, but for Windows, it's difficult to find one. And now we got one. It's doing things parallelly, as you can see here. It's now searching the internet to get all relevant information. It has already read my documents folder with all these files. Now it needs to put all these things together into a draft presentation, then generate the PowerPoint presentation, and finally verify. So it also found some 10 images regarding that. Now the task is completed with the PowerPoint presentation. So here is the PowerPoint presentation. Let's view that. AI agents, the future of autonomous intelligence. What is an AI agent? Types of AI agents. Brief history. Explosive growth ahead. Projected size 2030. Forbes prediction. And these are really nice. So instantly I was able to generate this PowerPoint presentation. As simple as that. Now, third, I want to create a website based on this. So I'm going to say, create me a multi-page website in detail, modern look with HTML, CSS and JS. Content is the same content which you have researched previously. I'm clicking enter. Now it's in action, reasoning. So just to let you know, the tool is able to read multiple file types such as PPT, documents, JSON, text, and much more. So the unique feature compared to Claude CoWork is that this is Windows native. Claude CoWork generally work better in Linux and also in Mac. Also, Claude CoWork generally you can use only Anthropic OpenAI, not OpenAI keys, only Anthropic keys. But in regards to this, we can use Gemini and more models available. So currently I've chosen Auto Router, which means it can automatically route to appropriate model based on the complexity of the task. But we can manually choose what model we want to use from here. All these things are happening locally. It's not running remotely, so that your data remains private. But the generation of the data is coming from Anthropic, OpenAI or Gemini based on the model you choose. So only those providers will understand your data and modify it accordingly. So it's not going to any other machines apart from the LLM providers. Now finally it's verifying if all the required files are created or not. The website is ready. Now let's view the website. And here is the website. AI agents, the future of autonomy, perception, reasoning and action. And the types of AI agents: simple reflex agents, model-based reflex agents, utility-based, goal-based and learning agents. Some examples here: autonomous vehicles, virtual assistants, trading bots, customer service chatbots, history. So everything is really nice. And if you got any issues, you can just fix it directly by chatting from here. Overall, I really like this for the fact that it's in Windows. I hope you like this video. Do try and let me know in the comments below what you think about this. Considering you already like Skywork, I also create another video about Skywork, the web version, which has more features. Definitely worth noting. So I'll put the link in here and I highly recommend for you to watch, and I will see you there.